I'm going to share with you what is affiliate marketing, how does affiliate marketing work, how do affiliate marketers get paid, and lastly, what is the deal or the contract with the affiliate marketer. I've been using this method for a few years to make money online, which you can use today while in lockdown at home. I'm Dr. Loendi from legitblueprint.com. Welcome to my YouTube channel, the best place for business coaches, affiliate marketers, and entrepreneurs. I provide advice to help you grow your online business. If you're looking for an honest and sustainable online business, then click the link below to follow a proven beginner-friendly blueprint to start making money online today. If this is your first time to my channel, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and to ring the notification bell that you do not miss out on any content like this. So let's start. What is affiliate marketing? This is a process where you earn a commission when marketing a product or service from another business. It's a good idea to choose a product or service you probably used before or something you liked and you want to share this with the rest of the world. When someone buys this product or service through your affiliate, you will receive a slice of the profit from the product or service owner. This can range from 5% to 50% or even more. You can even earn a recurring income when somebody subscribes to a membership or a monthly service or even a newsletter. The only thing that I want to say, I never promote any products or sell any products I haven't used myself. I need to know that my buyers will get value when they buy any products that I promote. And hopefully I can ask you to do the same. How does affiliate marketing work? Because affiliate marketing works by spreading responsibilities of product marketing and creation across parties, it manages to leverage the abilities of a variety of individuals, me and you, for a more effective marketing strategy, while in the same time providing contributors with a share of the product. Because we, me and you, are getting the buyers to buy the product, we will also get paid by the seller. To make this work, we need 3 different parties involved. As we already know, first, there should be a seller or a product creator. Then, secondly, the affiliate marketer or advertiser, me and you. And thirdly, we need somebody, or the buyer or the consumer, to buy the products. So this easy 3 steps is working today, and you can start as soon as today and also make money online. How do affiliate marketers get paid? The consumer doesn't always need to buy a product for the affiliate to get paid. So, like me and you, there should be a buyer and a seller, but sometimes the buyer just have to fill in a form or just have to be part of a research or something from the seller, and then we will still get paid. So let's say, first, pay per sale. This is the standard affiliate marketing structure. In this program, the product owner pays the affiliate, me and you, a percentage of the sale because the buyer purchased a product as a result of us sending the buyer to the product owner. Pay per lead. Another system to be paid as a lead. The affiliate marketer must get the buyer to visit the seller's web page. He could fill in a research, he could fill in an online form. He doesn't actually have to buy a product, but because we directed the buyer to the website of the seller, we will still get paid. Pay per click. This program focuses on the incentivizing the affiliate to redirect buyers from their marketing platform to the seller's website. This means when the affiliate send his person to the buyer's website and the buyer's website is clicked by the buyer just to see what products is available, we will still get paid for the click of the buyer on the website of the seller. The buyer doesn't need to buy a product, even if he just look and fill in a form and just go through what is on the website for sale. So, why be an affiliate marketer? What is the reasons to become an affiliate marketer? Number one, it's a passive income. While any regular job requires you to be at work to make money, affiliated marketing offers you the ability to make money while you sleep. By investing an initial amount of time into your campaign and into your business, you will continue making sales even if you don't work anymore on your business. No customer support. The entire job of the affiliate marketer is to link the seller with the buyer. The seller deals with any of the buyer's complaints after you received your commission from the sale. Nothing to do with you as affiliate anymore. Work from home. If you're someone who hates going to the office, affiliate marketing is the perfect solution for you. You'll be able to launch campaigns, receive income from the products that sellers create while working from the comfort of your home. This is a job you can do without ever getting out of your pajamas. Well, I must say, I love this part of affiliate marketing. 4. It's very cost effective. Most businesses require startup fees as well as cash flow, finance the products being sold. However, affiliate marketing can be done at the low cost, meaning you can get started quickly without much hassle. Beginning this line of work is relatively straightforward, as you see. And number 5, it's convenient and flexible. Since you're becoming your own boss, you get ultimate independence in setting your own goals, redirecting your path when you feel so, choosing the products that interest you, and even determining your own hours. This is when you decide how much income you want. The more you work, the better for you. If you're on vacation, you will still get paid if you did the work before the vacation. Performance-based rewards. With other jobs, you could work an 80-hour week and still earn the same salary. Affiliate marketing is purely based on your performance, as I said in the previous point. You get from it what you put into it. Honing your reviewing skills and writing engaging campaigns will translate to direct improvements in your income. You finally get paid for the outstanding work you do. Amazing, don't you think so? That's why I love affiliate marketing. So lastly, what's the deal or the contract with the affiliate marketer? The affiliate marketing is an agreement between the seller that wants to sell a product and the affiliate marketer who wants to help get people to buy the product and earn an income when the buyer bought or buys the product. All of these companies that sell products online have one challenge, and that is to sell their products. They actually need people like me and you to get more sales. They need to increase the number of buyers and customers they have. That is why all these companies have affiliate programs we can use. You just need to get the affiliate link from the company for this product, and you can share the link on your website, on your blog, on your social media platform. I love affiliate marketing because this gives me the opportunity to promote any product as affiliate marketer and earn commission from it. These companies do not mind paying you and me a commission for promoting their products. I believe in simplification. You don't need to do thousands of things to be successful, and you most certainly do not need to follow everyone who gives advice. Ultimately, it's your business and you decide what you want to do. With all this said, and if you are really committed to take the next step, if you are looking for an honest and sustainable online business, click the link below and follow a proven, beginner-friendly blueprint to start making money online today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell below, and you will receive a notification when one of my videos is available. Please leave comments, requests for topics, and your questions in the comment box below, and I will come back to you personally and create videos with your requested topics, and I will answer your questions. See you in my next video on the other side of the screen.